Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see from the title, I am doing an extreme clean with me, and this is literally where my channel started, and I just wanted to give you a ton of motivation because lately I've been doing a lot of fashion videos, a lot of hauls and shopping, and I just wanted to bring it back, do an original cleaning video and just give you a ton of motivation. And my house is totally ruined at the moment. It has been so neglected, so I have a ton of cleaning and motivation to bring you guys today. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting out in the kitchen. I always start these types of videos in the kitchen. It just gives me more motivation to carry on throughout the house because I hate having a dirty, messy kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty the dishwasher, put things back where they belong, wipe down the sides, and just get this kitchen sparkly clean so we can move on to the rest of the house. So just while I'm cleaning the little bits in the kitchen, I would love to know where you found my channel. I would love to know what video caught your eye. Have you been here from the start, from my previous cleaning videos, or have you found me recently from my fashion haul videos? Let me know down in the comment what video caught your eye and got you to subscribe to my little YouTube family here. I would love to know. But right now, let's just carry on doing the kitchen. It feels so good when I can just see the sides and everything is looking nice and fresh and clean and smelling beautiful. So there's just a minute or two left in the kitchen, and then we can move on to the bomb that is the front room. Okay, so I moved on to the front room quicker than I actually thought I did, but here we are in the front room. As you can see, it's an absolute mess. There's so much like gym workout stuff that is just gonna stay there. Rob is really working on himself lately and doing so much exercise that I'm not gonna put all of this stuff away because it's just so much easier for him when he gets home from work and it's already just out. So I am just gonna push it to the side but leave it out and just like work my way around. But I just need to do some hoovering. I've got loads of laundry to do. So yeah, I'm not gonna go crazy in this room. I did just need to do a quick pickup and a quick tidy, but Rob actually spilled a load of coffee on the floor, so you're gonna see in just a second how stained the carpet is. So I did have to get on my hands and knees and give it a good scrub because I've sort of ignored it for so long. Here we go. Hopefully you can see this. It is really bad. So yeah, I just had to give that a good scrub and get it up, but luckily it only took a minute and it came right up. So I was really happy about that. I was really worried that it was actually going to just be stained, but it came straight up, and then I can just carry on with the rest of the room and the laundry. I've got so much to do. I think I end up doing like 5 wash loads in this video, so a ton of laundry to do, and then we can head upstairs. Okay, so it's actually a few days later. I am filming this video as and when I can, and I just totally ran out of time. So like I said, it's a few days later and I really need to sort this dressing room out. I have no idea how it gets this bad or why I let it get this bad, but honestly I think this is the worst it's ever been, and I say that all the time, but honestly it was insane. So I just needed to go around, put everything back where it belongs, do some dusting, do some hoovering, and just get it nice and clean and fresh, and yeah, then we can move on. But I just really wanted to start off in this room because it's just got to the point where I didn't really know where to start. I am just kind of shoving things where they belong, but not that neatly, so I think soon I am gonna have to do a whole like declutter and organization video in here, but right now it's just a case of getting things put away, not necessarily the neatest. But yeah, hopefully we can just whiz around, get it away so I can do some hoovering and dusting, and we can move on.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting
So the final thing I need to do is the bedroom, and it always looks worse than it is because it's such a small room. So I never really want to start because it seems like it's going to take forever, but it's actually just one of the quickest rooms to do. So I don't really know why I don't keep on top of it a little bit more, but there we go. So I'm just going to go around, do a quick pickup. I am changing the bed, but I do that off of camera just because it is a nightmare to film the angles in such a small room. So I'm going to change the bed, do the dusting, do the hoovering, do all the things and just get it nice and fresh.
Set me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know.
I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. If it did, then please do go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Also leave it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye!
We're floating up like helium.